As we all know, our way of life, eating at restaurants, visiting relatives, young and old, sending your children to school without fear can only really happen once there's a COVID vaccine. Here in the United States, the government has launched Operation Warp Speed. Some of the biggest drug makers have been working feverishly to find a safe treatment. But how fast is too fast? Russia has declared they are the first in the world to approve a vaccine. Putin even claims that his own daughter took it. Experts here, though, are skeptical, calling the trial too small and too short. But what if it really works? What's next? Ian Pannell has the dramatic development.
Tonight, Russia claiming a major victory with the world's first approved coronavirus vaccine. President Vladimir Putin even saying one of his daughters has been given the inoculation.
После второго укола, второй прививки тоже температура немного поднялась, ну и все сошло потом на нет. Чувствует себя хорошо и титры высокие.
Kirill Dmitriev, head of the Russian government fund backing the vaccine, told us they're confident it works, even though they haven't completed phase 3 trials.
Its efficiency has been tested. 100% of the people developed immunity.
But many scientists in Russia and around the world say it simply hasn't been properly tested, with less than 100 people actually receiving the vaccine so far. Russia choosing to go ahead before completing that crucial final phase 3 trial that's used to show if a vaccine will work safely in a large population. They only lined up 2,000 people for that final step, which is just getting underway. Compare that to the tens of thousands now being tested with vaccines being developed by Moderna, Pfizer and Oxford, all of which are further along in trials than Russia. Russians say their vaccine was created so quickly because it's based on a previously developed Russian Ebola vaccine.
Once you understand the mechanics for how it works and you see the results of clinical studies, I think many people will be convinced.
The Russians are dubbing the vaccine Sputnik, a tribute to the Soviet era when Russia launched a successful orbital satellite in 1957. It's now being used to tout Russian success once more in this promo. Even though Russia will start to administer the vaccine to millions, there's some backlash. A Russian association for pharmaceutical companies published an open letter this week appealing for Russia to delay approval, saying there hasn't been enough tests and that it could be dangerous. Putin says phase 3 trials will still be underway in a handful of countries, including Brazil, which has one of the worst outbreaks in the world. US health experts aren't won over. Dr. Fauci shared his reaction exclusively with National Geographic.
I hope that the Russians have actually definitively proven that the vaccine is safe and effective. I seriously doubt that they've done that. People say, why aren't the Americans doing that? Well, because we have a way of doing things in this country that we care about safety and we care about efficacy.
And Ian Pannell joins us now. So, Ian, when is the Russian government going to start rolling out this vaccine, and will they track how it works as more people use it?
Well, look, this is a really interesting thing, is that they're only just starting the phase 3 trials. Now, we've heard about phase 3. This is the crucial stage. Moderna, the Oxford projects, they're all involved in heavy phase 3 testing at the moment, involving tens of thousands of people. The Russians are only just about starting to do that now, even though they've kind of declared victory that they've already got a vaccine. They're saying that they're going to roll it out to key frontline workers, that's medics and teachers, possibly by the end of this month, but large-scale mass vaccination in Russia, they say, will begin in October.
Ian Pannell, thanks so much.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.